In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a public holiday. Setting up the holiday calendar is one of the important tasks in shift scheduling business. A predefined holiday list helps operation managers to keep an eye on holidays while assigning duties to workers. To proceed further, first navigate to the App tab, and click Public Holidays. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add holiday information on this page. Enter date along with holiday title in Remarks field and select country for nationwide or state from the drop-down menu provided as if the holiday is limited to state level. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. Forthcoming public holidays on both national and state levels are visible on scheduling page, so that shifts can be created with public holidays in consideration. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.